Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now today we learn our computer subject. Okay, so we have some head, ear, feet, hand, legs, right? So computer also have their own parts. Like our hand, what's the use of hand? We we can wave we can wave our hand. Legs, it's a walk to walking, right? So computer also have their own parts and their own verbs, right? So chapter number 2, parts of a computer. Write down today's date, right? Let's know about main part of computer and additional part of a computer. So let's start. We have different parts in our body to perform different functions, right? We have different part of our body and different uses, right? So similarly, a computer too has many parts, right? Computer has too many parts, right? So now today we learn main part of computer. See here in your textbook, this is computer, right? This is computer, and this all is one part of computers. So see here, this is monitor, it's look like television, right? This is central processing unit, CPU. It is a brain of computer, right? Keyboard, this is keyboard. This is mouse. This is mouse, right? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. This is monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard, right? Now we understand the uses of monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So let's start. First of all, we learn about monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. See, a monitor looks like television screen. See, it is used to display the result processed by the CPU. It is display the result of CPU. जो हम CPU को कमांड देते हैं वो दिखाने के लिए कहाँ आता है? मॉनिटर पे आता है, राइट? इट इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स, मोनोक्रोम monitor and color monitor. It is available in different sizes and shapes. This monitor is monochrome monitor and this is color monitor. It's different sizes and different shapes available, right? So this is monitor. You can understand this? Okay. It is looks like television. See here, right? Now CPU. It's a main part of computer. This is CPU, right? This is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU's full name is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of computer. It is the main part of the computer. CPU is the main part of computer, right? CPU is the main part of computer. And it is a brain of computer. CPU stores everything we can save in computer, right? Now we understand what is keyboard. What is keyboard, right? A computer keyboard looks like a typewriter. See here. In keyboard we have A to Z ABCD. 1, 2, 0 numbers and some other functioning keys, right? Enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key, right? Shift key, control key, delete key, and key, the other keys also, right? They all different uses of keys. It's look like typewriter. Computer keyboard looks like a typewriter. It has various buttons called keys. It has various buttons called keys. Whatever we type using the keyboard is displayed on the screen of the monitor. We type here anything, it's displayed on monitor, where it's displayed in monitor. Okay, so we type here anything, it's display on monitor, right? I can see you the practical also, right? Next, mouse. A computer mouse look like a real mouse. You can see mouse. Rat. Yes, the computer mouse is also look like a real mouse, real rat. It has 2 or 3 buttons on its top and a long tail known as wire. Now the wireless mouse is also available, right? It is used to select the text and draw pictures. Scroller button on its top. It used to move the screen up and down. I can see you in a practical. Okay. Now this is mouse. It's a use of drag, select text, drag a picture, now here then there, right? The scroller button is up and down, moves, right? Now the additional part of computer. Computer have some other additional parts like speaker, printer and UPS, right? So we here a computer has other parts as well. Printer. This is printer. I can see you printer also. A printer is used to print the work done by us on a paper. We can see in monitor our work, and the printer work is print the paper on the paper. What we look in monitor, we print. Printer work is print on a paper, right? Speaker. Speakers are used to listen to sound on computer, right? Speakers are used to listen a sound on computer like music, some story, some movies, right? It's a use of speakers. UPS. UPS keeps a computer on even when the electricity goes off. UPS is the main part. UPS is as a part of computer. If the electricity is off, the UPS keeps on work computer, right? So UPS is the part of computer, right? Okay, so our last is a computer has 4 main parts. Okay, computer has 4 main parts. Which is there? What is the main part of computers? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. 4 main parts of computer, right? A monitor looks like a television screen. Monitor looks like a television screen. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU's full form is Central Processing Unit, right? A keyboard looks like a typewriter. Keyboard looks like a typewriter. A computer mouse is used to select text and drag pictures. A computer mouse is used to select text and draw pictures. Okay. Computer manner. Always clean your computer with a dry cloth. Always clean your computer with a dry cloth, right? Now, exercise writing section. This is MCQ question. First is, the monitor looks like a calculator, television screen, mobile phone, or a refrigerator. So, monitor is look like a television screen. So, we write in television screen box. CPU is the khali jagya of the computer. CPU is blank of the computer. CPU is brain, eye, head or mouth. So CPU is a brain of computer. So we tick here. Number 3. A keyboard has many small buttons called as beats, keys, points, none of this. So keyboard has many small buttons is called keys. So we write here. Okay. Option B. Question B. Tick right for true sentences and wrong for false sentences. First is, monitor comes in different sizes and shapes. It's true? Yes, it's true. So we tick here true. Right click. Second, keyboard can remember everything. No, keyboard is not remember everything. CPU is remember everything. So it's a false sentence. So we tick false here. Okay. Now, number 3, whatever we type to display on CPU. No, whatever we type, it's display on monitor. So it is also false sentence. So we make false symbol. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. Yes, a computer has 2 or 3 buttons. So it's true sentence. Now fill in the blanks using help box. This is help box: mouse, speakers, keys and pointing. Number 1 is, a computer keyboard has various type of keys. So we write here in the first blank keys. Blank is used to select the text and drag pictures. So mouse is used to select the text and draw pictures. Number 3, mouse is a blank device. Mouse is a pointing device. Right? Blank are used to listen and sounds on computer. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to sound on computer. Right? Now match of following. This is, what is this? This is monitor. So we match monitor to monitor, monitor, right? This is keyboard. So we match keyboard to keyboard spelling, keyboard, keyboard. This is CPU. So we match CPU. This is mouse. So we match with mouse, mouse, mouse. Now on page number 70 you have one activity, right? Label the color of parts, color the parts of the computer. First, see, number 1, keyboard, and color also right here. So in keyboard you want color red, you fill color red. Monitor, you fill color blue. This is monitor, you fill in a monitor color blue. Number 3, mouse have green color, so you fill green color here. Number 4, CPU. CPU, this is CPU, right? Feel yellow color. Speakers, they both are speakers. This is also speaker and this is also speaker. So speaker has brown color, so you feel on speaker brown colors, right? And label them. Okay, this is your activity, right? Okay, so now we are going to do practical on computer. Okay, so children, see here, this is computer, right? This is all the part of computers. This is, what is this? This is monitor. It's look like TV screen, right? This is monitor. This is keyboard. See here, this is keyboard, right? This is keyboard. This is mouse. Here the mouse. And this is CPU. This is CPU. See, right? And this is UPS, right? This is UPS. Now see here the use of computer. See, the mouse is scroll the cursor. This is cursor, right? We open here some, see, it's command on CPU, and then we open Excel sheet, right? Now the use of keyboard, we type here, see, it's everything, it's typing, right? Like this. Now the use of, this is use of mouse for select the text. See here, I select the text, and the use of keyboard, it's delete, it's erase, right? It's a part of computer, right? Okay, there are many keys. See here, so many keys are in keyboard. It's look like typewriter. See, okay, so it's a computer. It's a computer, right? It's look like TV screen, है ना? See, and this is printers for printing something, right? This is printer. Okay, so all this is the part of computer you can see. Okay, thank you, bye.